trying a new fold today. We'll see what happens. Yeah. All right, so basically going to do a diagonal, and I'm using this ruler as a guide. These are going to be my folds. So that's how wide they're going to be. Alright, so now I'm going to take this.
Now supports Trump's lawsuit that would take health care from millions of Americans and eliminate protections for people with pre-existing conditions, including coronavirus. Street Preston County will protect coverage for pre-existing conditions, lower prescription drug costs, and defend your private health care. I'm Street Preston County, and I approve this message.
Why are California and New York liberals funding MJ Hagar's campaign? She's relevant.
So that's what the Democrats need to do differently is not compromise and not become moderate.
Hagar supports a drug-killing carbon tax, a socialist government takeover of your health care.
Here we go.
Says she'd consider defunding our police. MJ Hagar, New York taxes, California values. Texans for a conservative majority is responsible for the content of this advertising.
Spoke to her today in an exclusive interview, and Mel, this was really emotional.
It really is, Eric.
Alrighty, so
Sergeant Preston back in the 1980s, and they quickly
that's all tied.
She says she quickly learned that
I'm actually going to let this dry. The lady that I was watching likes hers to dry because she says the dye goes better. So I kind of have mixed feelings. She used wet dye on this, and I really like the effect, so I may go ahead and mix up some wet dye. I may go ahead and just ice dye it though, but I'm just going to let that dry. All right, maybe tomorrow.
After rewatching the video, the instructional video, I decided to undo the tie and retie it a different way.
Okay, so I split it into sections because I'm using 6 colors. I'm using watermelon, orange sherbet, daffodil, Kelly green, alpine blue, periwinkle. And then after I finish this, I'm going to let it set a couple hours, and then I'm going to put a aluminum foil boat underneath it. And I'm going to put black. That's going to be a better black. I'm going to mix it up and pour it underneath. And then I'll let it set until tomorrow. So, I'm going to start one end and just work my way down to the other. We'll see how that works. Okay, so I put a boat, aluminum foil boat around it, and I've mixed up some ink, or some black dye. So I'm going to pour in there. Poe is not happy. I can make more dye if I need to. I made up a cup. Had a leak. There we go. Alright. Hush. Hush, puppy. Alright. And I have more. All right, and so I'm just going to let this sit until tomorrow. I'll add more black if I need to in my boat. And then we'll have the big unveil. Okay. This is the one that I did yesterday. Let's see what happens here. That's kind of cool looking. I kind of like that. I'll have to wash it out. Let's see. Hang on. Let me look. Pretty cool, huh? All right. We'll go wash it out. We'll see what the final product is. All right. Here's the final product, y'all. Front. Here's the back. Back to the front. This was the fan fold that I did on a diagonal. So I actually started and then folded it like so. And then I wrapped it around itself. I really like the way this turned out. I think I'm going to try it again with some different colors. These colors I used are more muted colors, like this is called watermelon and this is a soft orange. And I really like it. It turned out very, very pretty. But I'm going to try it with some other colors, maybe not so many colors, maybe a repetition of colors to see how it turned out. Tell me what you think. Let me know if you like it or not. There it is. I'll pull my Vanna. There it is.